Alright, so some of you guys are wondering how you get watermarks on your videos. Basically, let me click on one of these videos, see if they have, because I know this guy has one. Right, I'm so sorry because of those ads. I don't have Google Premium. Just annoying, guys.
What's up, guys? Back.
This bit where you can subscribe quick and easy, like that. I'm going to show you how to get one of those. So first you want to click on your little icon here and press YouTube Studio. Now this should start coming up as a new tab. Well, it might replace your tab, I don't know. And then you gotta go to content. Nope, sorry, dashboard. Wait. Customization, sorry. And I want to go to branding. And then if you scroll all the way down here, you'll see video watermark. Now you should be, it says, right, I'm going to press remove for this necessary. Sorry about that. Then you would upload. No animations as it says. I have one here. Push, bing, put the entire video if you want it, or because start time, then you can do like that, or end the video where it comes. Then you press, oh my god, sorry. Then you press publish. And then you're good to go. And I'm just going to show you that this works by going on one of my videos. Wait, hold up. Right, now here we go. I'm sorry about my really bad computer. Now go to your channel if you want to see it. As you can see, the watermark is there. Thank you and hope you found